tree line go.
It looks like it's on the ground. Oh, dude. Ready? Got him. It's not big. Oh yeah, it's a dink. But it's a pike. You don't have to do anything. Just keep the camera on the fish. It's an absolute dink. It's sweet, it's tiny, but you could almost eat that. I'd keep it moving. Okay. We got the three of us in here today. We're fishing for northerns, my favorite sport fish to target on the planet, at least so far. I don't know, there might be a better one day, but pike, my favorite thing, at least in the winter, hey? It's pretty fun. Pretty fun, would you say? Yeah? It's three of us today. Got Michaud's son, got St. Vincent's son, and myself, Régnier's son. What we're doing is we're just chasing flags. We got most of our flags set up, but then I'm gonna set up one more here with this unit of a bait. This is a goldeye from the Red River. And today we're fishing a lake that's part of the Winnipeg River system, which has a lot of mooneye, which is quite similar to a goldeye. So I'm hoping this bait is like tempting enough to a pike. We're jigging one line in the tent. We just caught our first pike of the day here. This guy caught the first one. Now it's this guy's turn for the next flag, and then I'll be third. We're just gonna rotate all day. We'll keep you posted, but today just doing our favorite thing, chasing big northerns. Yeah, do it. This is going to be the presentation. How about that, eh? That's a big bait. On voit que la porte, pas grave, on n'en met pas. We'll set it back up. Oh, Jérémie! Oh, c'est le même trou. Oh, got her. No slack. Okay. No slack. Cabrel, it's a good one. It's big. Like it's stuck, dude. It's stuck at the bottom of the hole. Okay. Holy. Yep. Wow. It's like a high 30s. Okay. Honestly, it might only be 35 or 36. Shoot, I dropped him, but he can't really swim backwards. Yeah, he's coming back up because he can't swim backwards.
Right. It's parti.
He got back down. Well, we did catch him because I had him hooked. Oh, man, that's a big up on my part. You know what I think? He hooked his tail under and pushed himself back. Ah. Man, that sucks. Well, at least it's good for the fish. You know that fish is gonna live. I'm sorry, man, that sucks. Oh, il s'en vient. I'm fighting with my wrong hand here, folks, so that's why I look stupid. Clear this. Kidding me? Am I stuck on the thing? I'm stuck on the... I think I lost him. Yeah, lost him. It's too bad because we had him hooked, but hooking the bottom of the ice caused us to lose this one, unfortunately. Two real heartbreakers in a row here. So Michaud's son, he had one, but then this thing did such an alligator roll, I just clumsily lost grip of his jaw. And then it sort of used its, I thought it was just gonna swim back up because they can't really swim backwards. And it was in the hole there for a while. I tried to, then it, I think, used its tail to push itself out. And then I just had a flag, hooked him, felt big, pulled a lot of line, pulled a lot of drag, but then it just got hooked on the bottom of the ice and then lost him. So just some bad luck, and we got this terrible weather we don't even know. But that being said, you still caught, that was a good fish.
I did. Yeah.
That was a good fish.
Happy. Exactly.
It's my fault both times, but sometimes you just have a bad day where things just don't go your way. Yeah, but we're gonna just keep waiting, keep trying, hope for some redemption. Good redemption. Chime in soon. Okay, this one's ready. Yeah, but like, salvo, banjo.
Let's go see. Go then.
Folks, I'm fighting on my left here, so I kind of look dumb because this is not my natural reeling handle, but this is my turn, so I took it. It is heavy, I'll tell you that. Oh, it's honestly decent. Dip it all the way in. 36, as I predicted. Not a bad little pike. 36 inch. Yeah. In these sorts of conditions, it is imperative. You saw how quickly we had her out. Oh, there she kicked powerfully. Very imperative to have them out for the briefest amount of time, especially. It's calmed down, the wind's calmed down, but there's still enough for their eyes and fins to freeze. So, I mean, she was out for 20 seconds max, but decent fish. Hope for a bigger one here in the last couple hours. Yes, sir. Go whenever you're ready. Okay, send her back. Put her there, dude. Oh boy. Well, folks, we got that last fish. A little chaotic just as night is falling. We're gonna take those last flags out of the water here. Just not the most productive day in terms of flags. It wasn't we didn't have a ton of flags, but a couple quality fish. We'll have to be back here in the longer days of March here, as later in the winter the pike fishing really picks up more. So it is what it is though. Few fish here in this blizzard. Outside was just so blustery, but you know, it is what it is. We're just gonna get everything packed down here and talk to you folks next time. Any thoughts, boys?
Beautiful day.
Beautiful day.
Same here, yeah.
Let's go. Cheers, folks. Apkashem. This was a lot of fun.